All right, what's going on, guys? I want to talk about this time of year, what you should be doing, how you should be thinking when it comes to mover hiring in the fall. So, for me, this is the time of year that I'm gonna want to, so to speak, clean out the cobwebs and sharpen your blade. So, this is the time of year that you never want to stop recruiting. Okay, you should always be fielding and prospecting and filtering through new talent. It just doesn't mean that you have to hire all the time. So during the fall, if you have a solid company, you should still be doing good business in the fall. So you should still be having interviews, getting booked. You should still be making hires. It just may be less. And what you're going to do is you're going to get more narrow. So you're going to be more choosy and you're looking for certain characteristics even higher than what you are during the summer. And what I like doing, I think it's a good recommendation, is look at your roster in tiers, or as far as groups or levels. And you don't have to share this with all your people. I would not recommend that. I know some companies, though, they do. They make it very well known, like, hey, level 1, level 2, level 3. But at least internally for you and your management is looking at your roster in like 3 tiers. Your top tier are people that are like, they're rock solid, right? And they've proven themselves, they're veteranized, and they produce results over and over, and you don't really have to worry about them. Then you have the middle, where the middle is you're kind of figuring out what they're going to do next. And then the bottom is typically your shuffleboard. So the shuffleboard is the group of people that they are maybe not full-time. They come and work every now and then. You kind of plug them here and there, or they're just lower quality. They might be on the way out, etc. So when you go through the fall and you're hiring and you're recruiting, you're looking at this as, how can I raise the standard on the average of the team? So you may have like 3, 4, 5 really awesome guys, like studs, but how can I get more guys to resemble the studs of the group? Okay, so one of the things that you really should do is evaluate the people that are in the organization. When you go into the fall, you're going to be moving into the slower part of the year. This is going to be, obviously, we're going to slow down a little bit of the business volume. And that's the time of year that you want to, like I said, clean out the cobwebs, meaning maybe part ways and separate from a couple people that maybe don't fit your culture, don't have the right attitude, don't have the right skill sets and commitment that you're looking for to go to the next level. So be thinking about that. But you should always, year round, be recruiting. And during the fall, the main thing to be doing is you may want to lower the volume of interviews, but what I would do is just get a little more picky on what you're selecting, so that way you can raise that quality overall of your team. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you guys on the next video.